From our VIP Brad Squad questions, if you are a member of the VIP Brad Squad page on our Facebook, then you will get your immigration questions answered first. Bennett Candy asks, what does it mean if the embassy gives a letter stating that a baby is denied under Section 221G Act? It means you're basically denied, not eligible for a visa. Sophia Bryce, my husband and daughter's case has been DQ'd since December 2022. They're F2A. My question is, how long before they get an interview? They're in Jamaica. I don't have a magic ball, but DQ'd cases in Jamaica are sometimes taking up to a year. Hopefully, it will be less for you. As if Khan, we are waiting for the humanitarian reinstatement approval since January 2021 and still no answer yet. How long does this usually take? How long will it take until the interview process? It's taking about 18 months to 2 years for humanitarian reinstatement. So you're at 2.5 years. So I don't know what happened with your case. I'm not a fortune teller, as I said in the last one, but I would expect you to get a decision momentarily. Then after, depending on what country they're in, it could take another year or longer to process. You just saw Sophia Bryce with the question, and your case isn't even DQ'd after humanitarian waiver. You got to do all the affidavits of support all over again. So it could take a year or maybe even longer before an interview. Patricia Marie, last week you answered my question as to whether a case with USCIS for spousal immigrants can be reopened after the 1-year approval period of the NVC. You advised that after 1 year expiration, a request to reopen the case can be submitted for up to an additional 1 year. We received an email May 2021 that our case was submitted to NVCs for submission. As a result of the loss of my job as petitioner, loss of sponsor, and my cancer diagnosis, we never communicated with NVC. Our marriage remains strong, and today is our 4-year anniversary. What are the chances to reopen 25 months later? Do it. Stop writing me and write the NVC. I will tell you that every day you wait to do it longer, it's less likely. So do it. Don't write me, write the NVC, or hire me to do it. It's shorter to write the NVC. It's one sentence. Please reopen my case. You could have written the NVC. Took you less time to do than write to me again. Hard Rich. What is the best thing to do if I applied for an extension? The result came out months after my supposed extended date, leaving me no choice but to overstay in the country. Will I be able to retain my U.S. visa when I go back to my country? Am I going to be banned? You're banned. Because you requested extension. You said, I need 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, whatever it is. So you should have left within that time frame in which you said you needed. Because you have an extension filed, that doesn't give you the right to stay here for 1 year or 1.5 years waiting on a decision. You leave. You did what you were supposed to do and you leave, and you never got a decision, and you wait for it back home. So you're out of status and your visa is no good, and you will be banned when you come back. Dali Rupnarine, our case has been DQ'd since May 2021. We're in the F3. We're from the Caribbean. Can you advise how long we can wait? No, I cannot, but it sounds like you're going to need an attorney at some point because you've been waiting that 2+ years, unless your priority date's not current yet. Sometimes priority dates are not current, even though you're DQ'd. So that could be a possibility too. So I don't know what your priority date is. And William Patrick can give me more news about the Dignity Act. I don't have any more news to tell you, but Google Dignity Act and you'll see, and put in news and you'll see all the news you can get from it. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.